So today we'll be talking about Berkshire Hathaway. We're going to be buying $1 amount of stock of that. So that's going to be a little bit. So we can see BRKA and 300,036 and $700. So they're up down 5,300. So we can go ahead and buy $1 of that. As you can see, this is the little screen that'll tell you in buying in dollars. If you want to switch it, you can just hit buy in shares, and that'll bring you back to the original page that most of you are already familiar with. So, but we'll go to the buy in dollars. That's key for the fractional shares. So we'll hit $1 here. You'll hit review, and today we'll be buying 0.000002 shares. So that's not very much, but it's $1 of Berkshire Hathaway. So we can go ahead. Order received. All right, so Berkshire order completed. Your market order to buy $1 Berkshire Hathaway Class A is complete. You received 0.0002 shares of BRK.A for 67 cents. The remaining 33 cents have been added back to your buying power. So it looks like we only bought 67 cents worth. I'm not sure why that is. It's my first time trying out the fractional shares, but let's go ahead and hit done. Let's see what's going on here. So it looks like we're already up a little bit, so that's good to see. Not sure why it didn't take that full dollar off, but maybe they just didn't have enough, or I'm not sure. Let's see. It says success. Your order to buy $1 is complete. You receive 0.00002. All right, so let's see a few more details. You order. So it looks like, I'm not sure. It says your order was filled for less than $1 due to price fluctuation of the market. The remaining 33 cents has been added back to your buying power. So it looks like they just filled it less than the dollar. So that's kind of something to note, I guess. It was a little bit interesting seeing how that all works. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick video seeing how to buy fractional shares on Robinhood. It was a new experience for me, and I hope you guys learned a little bit something yourself. So if you guys haven't already, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day.